Hello YouTube. Today was the January redemption for lockers, and I missed all the good prizes. So I'm just gonna buy a coin prize since I'm mad now. People are too fast. Let's see. I'm just gonna download a background. This looks good. I'll just get one of those probably. Yeah, I'll just get one of those. This background bones color. I can click it and redeem now. Redeem now. Mac or PC. You can just click download or redeem and ship to country or whatever. Of course, in the United States. Well, this is my info, but I'm gonna skip this part since I don't want to show you that. Alright, so I redeemed it. Then it says, "Thank you, your redemption has been received. Our next step is to review your account and item availability." So I redeemed that. Everything they had was out of stock. So let's get. Oh, they do have a 300 points. A PayPal $25 for 300 points. You should go and check that out as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.